In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota 4Runner key fob and change the internal battery yourself at home. It is very easy to do. All you will need is a flathead screwdriver and one of these CR 2016 batteries. If you would like to get one of these online and just have it come right to your door, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for the lowest price. And once you have your screwdriver and your one battery, we can just get right into this. The first thing we want to do is look to the top of the device, and you can see there's a little indentation in the plastic there. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it in there and twist, and you will feel the device kind of crack open. You can just set this back piece of plastic to the side, and this battery comes out pretty easily. You can just slide it back and it will start to come out, and you pull it out with your fingers. You can also just get in there with the corner of your flathead and just push it under, kind of trying to pry it up, and it will pop out. Slide the battery out, get rid of the old battery, and again, you want a brand new CR 2016 battery, and if you don't know where to get that, go ahead, check the description. Make sure this positive side that has the text on it is face up, and we'll just slide that down and click the top into place. And all we have to do now is reattach the two halves of the device here. Click it all back together, and you are all set. I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, let me know by giving this video a like or telling me down in the comment section. And remember, if you ever need help changing another battery in any key fob from any maker model, you can check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us directly at fobbattery.com.